Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of The Exchange at the Exchange Conference. As a reminder, today's interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE does not recommend investments or investment strategies. Joined by my friend Katie Stockton. You probably know her from TV, but she's also the founder of Fairlead Strategies. Katie, thank you for joining.
Of course, happy to be here.
So there's a lot going on at the conference. You're having a lot of conversations with advisors. What are you talking about?
I mean, mostly markets, right? We're coming off of a pretty bad bear market cycle, and everybody's wondering where to position with that in mind. So, is the bear market cycle over? That is the question on every advisor's mind right now. And we are not convinced that it is. So we have our ETF called the Fairlead Tactical Sector ETF, or TAC, T-A-C-K. It is fairly risk-off in its positioning still. We have positions in short-term treasuries, long-term treasuries, and gold, in addition to energy. And that's something that we're pretty comfortable with. So we've been talking a lot about strategy and how to allocate in this type of cycle.
Yeah, stick with that for a bit, because I don't think everybody realizes what exactly TAC does. Could you explain a little bit about the ETF?
Of course. So TAC, first and foremost, is interested in investing in the best sectors of the market. So the S&P 500 sectors, using the State Street Spider funds. And yet the market doesn't always allow for us to invest that way because the positive long-term momentum and relative strength just isn't there behind the sectors. So we have the ability with our technical model, it's driven by technical analysis, to move into these alternative asset classes. And that's a very important function because our goal is to limit drawdowns when the market lends itself to it.
So you've got this really unique strategy. It's all wrapped in an ETF. For somebody who's listening in, they want to learn more about TAC, Fairlead, where do they go?
Well, easiest thing would be to go to fairleadfunds.com.
Fairleadfunds.com. Easy enough. Or you can go to our website, ETF Central. Just go to the screener, type in TAC. You'll learn everything about the ETF. Of course, lots of ETF thought leadership content, all at etfcentral.com. And of course, all brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.